Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy DEFI again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. You guys, I would like to thank you for liking my videos, commenting on my videos, and also subscribing to my channel. And I would like you guys to continue doing that because I'm gonna keep you updated on the new projects that I'm doing, and also follow up videos on the projects that I'm already doing. So in this video, I'm just gonna do a tutorial on how to get started in DeFi staking platform. So I've had few members in my team who are having problems getting started here. So I'm gonna make this short and straight. So step number one is you get a referral link from your sponsor. Now the link appears here. This is my link. So and it's gonna be in the description of this video as well. So you click in the description of the video, you get my referral link, you copy it. If you're using a mobile wallet, so you copy the link and paste it in the wallet, in your wallet browser to get started. So those of you who are using desktop, you just click on the link and you open it in your Chrome browser, which Chrome browser has to be connected to your wallet. So let us assume that all that is done. You have gotten the link, so the site will open like this. This is its main face, and so here basically we just buy the DSP tokens. It works the same way as T2X. So you use your Tron, you buy the DSP tokens, you stack the tokens in the system for a number of days. The more days you stack the DSP tokens, the more dividends you get in Tron. So now when you come here, you have to go to the auction. You can either click here or click here. So I prefer this one. You go to the auction lobby. The auction lobby, it opens like this. So far this is the number 4. As you can see, the number 1 open, we bought, and then number 2, number 3, and then this is the number 4. So I've been buying in all these days. So this is how it opens. This is the DSP pool, DSP Tron. So when we had just started, each DSP token was buying at 0.624 per Tron. So and it has been reducing. Check here. So when the day ends today, we shall be able to determine how much each DSP was per Tron here. So another thing also, this is the daily entry here. This is the number of the amount of Tron that has entered into the system. On day 1 we had 4 million, day 2 4.022, day 3 there was a huge jump here. People bought into the system. You can see 5.8 million. So today they have so far bought 2.797 million, and we just have 18 hours till the clock ends. So when this clock ends to 0, we shall get the exact number of Tron that has entered into the system here. So what to do here now, you have to buy the DSP tokens. You get them from the auction lobby here. So you click on enter here. You enter the amount of Tron that you want to start with. For the purpose of this tutorial, let me use 1000 Tron. Enter the auction. So it has to confirm to request this. Request the signature from your wallet. You accept in your wallet. So it says 1000 successfully entered into the lobby. Now, so I've bought the tokens, and tomorrow when this one ends, when this clock goes to 0, we shall be able to, this enter button will turn into, on day 4, because tomorrow we shall be having day 5. So on day 4, this enter button shall turn into collect. So I'll be able to collect my tokens here. and then I'll be able to stake them here. So there is a video in the description of the video. It shows how to stake, to collect the tokens, and also how to to do some staking of the DSP tokens. So I'm going to leave that in the description. You can also use that to see how I've been able to buy these tokens in the past 3 days. So that's all I had for this video. Oh, before I go, let me first show you my stakes here. So my stakes, as you can see here. Now I bought this on day 3. I bought it on day 2 and started earning on day 3. And so far it has earned over 14,000 Tron in dividends from just an investment of 15,000 Tron. So I used 15,000 Tron to buy tokens worth 9,828 tokens. So in just day 1 of earning, my 15,000 Tron investment has earned me 14,000 Tron as dividends. So what do you think will happen in the next 9 days? Because this is just day 1, so it will be keep accumulating here, and also you get an interest on your DSP tokens here. They earn interest over time. So you can see initially it was valued at 9,800, but now its current value it's at 9,900. So it gains value over time. So it is you earn in 2 ways. You earn the dividends in Tron, and also you earn the interest on your DSP tokens. So you click the video in the description of this video. You see how you can buy or how you can stake the tokens for the longest time. Remember, the longer you stake the tokens, the higher the dividends you get of them. So the shorter, you also get some bonus days, as we shall see here in the follow-up videos, because I staked this for 10 days. So after 5 days, I will be able to get some bonus here. So that's all I had, guys. See you in the next video.